You're about to see tools that can completely change how fast and how clean you work, but most people don't even know they exist. On AU Techverse, we've handpicked 31 of the smartest, most practical tools every handyman should have. And yes, every single one is linked in the description so you can check them out instantly. Watch carefully, because missing even one of these could mean working harder instead of smarter. Milescraft 1409 TrackSaw Guide. When you need straight, clean cuts on large boards but don't have a full TrackSaw system, the Milescraft 1409 steps in as a practical solution. It works with most circular saws and gives you a stable guide for accurate rip cuts right out of the box. The rigid metal build keeps everything aligned, while the red cutting strip helps reduce splintering. For everyday woodworking where precision matters, this guide keeps your cuts clean and consistent every time. AVID Power Compact Router. When you're shaping edges or cutting precise grooves, control makes all the difference. The AVID Power Compact Router delivers that control with its variable speed motor and smooth rack and pinion depth adjustment. Built-in LED lights help you see clearly even in dim work areas, while the ergonomic grip keeps your hands steady during longer jobs. With a durable aluminum body and dust hood for cleaner operation, it's a reliable tool that turns detailed woodworking into a smooth, predictable process. Milescraft 4012 Square Clamp Kit. When assembling frames or cabinets, keeping everything perfectly square can be frustrating. The Milescraft 4012 Square Clamp Kit simplifies that moment by locking your pieces at a precise 90-degree angle while you work. Its lightweight yet durable design won't damage surfaces, and the built-in dovetail tracks let you position clamps quickly. Just set your material, press the cam lever, and everything holds firm. It's a simple tool that saves time and ensures clean, accurate assembly every time. Woodpeckers Engle Angle and Engle Angle Mini. Working with uneven corners can quickly ruin a perfect trim job. The Woodpeckers Engle Angle solves this by accurately bisecting any angle, giving you the exact reference needed for clean miter cuts. The Mini version offers the same precision in a more compact form, perfect for tight spaces. Whether you're installing molding or fine trim, both tools eliminate guesswork and improve accuracy. It's a smart solution that ensures every corner fits cleanly and professionally. Milescraft 3406 GrabberPRO. Cutting narrow strips on a table saw can feel risky, especially when your hands get too close to the blade. The Milescraft 3406 GrabberPRO is designed to keep control and safety in your favor by maintaining firm pressure on both sides of the cut. Its adjustable legs adapt to different tasks, allowing you to handle even thin strips with confidence. The ergonomic handle and adjustable heel improve stability, making every pass smoother and safer. It's a smart upgrade for controlled, precision cutting. HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool. For small detail work where precision matters more than power, the HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool fits naturally in your hand like a pen. It offers multiple speed settings, letting you switch easily between cutting, engraving, or polishing tasks. The lightweight design reduces fatigue, while the anti-slip grip keeps your control steady during delicate work. With a wide range of included accessories, it adapts to different materials effortlessly. It's a compact tool that brings accuracy and flexibility to everyday DIY projects. KOOPOOL Telescoping Magnetic Pickup Tool. Dropping a screw or bolt into a tight, unreachable spot can instantly slow your work. The KOOPOOL Telescoping Magnetic Pickup Tool is built for exactly those moments, extending to reach deep or narrow spaces with ease. Its strong magnetic tip securely grabs metal parts, while the telescoping design adjusts to different lengths. Compact and easy to store, it's always ready when something slips out of reach. It's a simple tool that saves time and frustration on every job. Rocksteel Roto Tape Compass. Marking perfect circles or consistent measurements can be tricky without the right tool. The Rocksteel Roto Tape Compass combines a tape measure and compass into one compact design, letting you draw accurate circles using a standard pencil. It also doubles as a straight edge for marking distances from edges. With both metric and imperial scales and a portable form, it fits easily into any toolbox. It's a clever tool that brings precision and convenience to layout work. OX Pro Claw Bar. When you're pulling nails or prying apart materials, strength and control matter just as much as leverage. The OX Pro Claw Bar is built from drop-forged steel, giving it the durability needed for tough demolition tasks. Its polished beveled claws slide easily into tight gaps, while the non-slip grip improves handling during heavy use. The added striking surface increases versatility on site. It's a dependable tool that delivers power, precision, and control when the job gets demanding. STABILA LAX 300G. Laying out straight lines across walls or floors can quickly become inaccurate with traditional tools. The STABILA LAX 300G solves this with bright green laser lines that stay clearly visible even in larger spaces. It projects horizontal, vertical, and plumb lines, making alignment tasks faster and more precise. With a working range of up to 30 meters, it handles everything from tile layout to framing. It's a reliable leveling tool that brings speed and accuracy to professional job sites. C.JET Tool Multipurpose Scissors. Cutting different materials with one tool usually means compromises, but the C.JET Tool Multipurpose Scissors are built to handle variety without losing control. The adjustable design lets you switch between small and wide cuts, while the serrated curved blade grips materials like cardboard, rubber, and even thin metal sheets. It can also cut wires up to around 2.5 m, making it highly versatile on site. It's a dependable all-in-one cutting tool that reduces the need for multiple tools. Fischer Duotec. Mounting something securely on drywall or hollow walls can be tricky when standard anchors fail. The Fischer Duotec is designed to handle that challenge with a smart toggle system that expands behind the surface for a strong hold. It works in both drywall and solid materials, giving flexibility across different installations. Easy to install and compatible with various screw sizes, it saves time while improving reliability. It's a practical anchoring solution that keeps your fixtures firmly in place. Wolftooth 6-bit hex wrench multi-tool. When you're dealing with quick fixes on the go, carrying a full toolkit isn't always practical. The Wolftooth 6-bit hex wrench multi-tool packs multiple essential hex bits into a compact, foldable design that fits easily in your pocket. The bits store securely inside, and the ergonomic shape gives you solid leverage for tightening or loosening fasteners. Whether it's a bike adjustment or a small repair, it's a compact tool that keeps you prepared without adding bulk. Mini Carver. When you need to shape wood quickly, but still keep control over fine details, the Arbortech Mini Carver delivers a balanced solution. Its tungsten carbide blade removes material efficiently while allowing smooth, controlled carving even in tight areas. The variable speed gives you flexibility across different tasks, from rough shaping to detailed work. A built-in dust collection system helps keep your workspace cleaner. It's a reliable carving tool that brings both speed and precision to woodworking projects. Bulb Grabber. Changing a high or hard-to-reach light bulb can quickly turn into a risky task. The Bulb Grabber makes it simple by letting you extend your reach without needing a ladder. Its adjustable gripping fingers securely hold the bulb, allowing you to remove or install it with a smooth twist. The design keeps your hands safely away from fragile glass and awkward angles. It's a practical tool that turns a frustrating job into a quick and controlled task. Southwire SIMpull Non-conductive fish tape. Running wires through conduit can become frustrating when the tape snags or resists movement. The Southwire SIMpull Non-conductive fish tape is designed to glide smoothly thanks to its low-friction polymer construction. It stays flexible through bends and tight turns, reducing the chance of kinks or breaks during pulls. Being non-conductive adds an extra layer of safety when working around electrical setups. It's a dependable tool that makes wire routing faster, safer, and far more efficient. Screwfix Ladder. Carrying and setting up a full-size ladder can slow you down, especially on jobs that require constant movement. The Screwfix Ladder solves this with a telescopic design that extends to the height you need and collapses for easy transport. Built from durable aluminum with reinforced joints, it offers stability without adding extra weight. The angled rungs improve comfort while climbing. It's a practical solution that makes access easier, safer, and more efficient on any job site. Looft Lighter X. Starting a fire with traditional methods can be messy and time-consuming. The Looft Lighter X simplifies the process by using superheated air instead of gas or chemicals. Just point it at the material, and within seconds, you have a clean ignition without smoke or odor. Its cordless, portable design makes it easy to use for grills, fireplaces, or outdoor setups. It's a fast and reliable tool that turns fire starting into a simple, controlled task. Champion 79cc walk-behind lawn edger. Keeping lawn edges sharp with manual tools can be slow and inconsistent. The Champion 79cc walk-behind lawn edger makes the job faster with a powerful engine and a 9-inch edging guide for clean straight lines. Its adjustable blade depth lets you control how deep you cut, while the ergonomic handle improves comfort during longer sessions. Built for stability and control, it helps you achieve a neat, professional finish. It's a practical machine for maintaining clean, defined lawn edges. Bosch GKS 18V57 Cordless Circular Saw. Cutting wood on site often means dealing with limited space and no direct power source. The Bosch GKS 18V57 Cordless Circular Saw gives you the freedom to move while still delivering strong cutting performance. Its compact design keeps it easy to handle, while the motor is capable of clean, precise cuts through common timber thicknesses. The built-in LED improves visibility, and the electric brake adds control. It's a reliable cordless saw that balances power, precision, and portability. WORX WX045. When you're working on craft or repair projects, messy glue application can ruin precision. The WORX WX045 hot glue gun gives you better control with its compact, ergonomic design and focused nozzle for accurate placement. It heats up quickly, so you're not waiting around, and the LED indicator lets you know when it's ready. Part of the Maker X system, it's designed for portability and ease of use. It's a clean, efficient solution for precise gluing tasks. Wolfcraft All-Purpose Cutter. Cutting thick or awkward materials can slow you down when your blade isn't up to the task. The Wolfcraft All-Purpose Cutter is designed to handle materials like plastic pipes, cables, and leather with a sharp stainless steel blade. Its spring-loaded safety cover protects the tip when not in use, while the ergonomic handle keeps your grip secure. Blade changes are quick, saving time on busy jobs. It's a reliable cutter that combines strength, safety, and everyday versatility. Woodpeckers Bevel Block and Bevel Squares. Getting exact angles in woodworking often means measuring, rechecking, and still risking small errors. The Woodpeckers Bevel Block and Bevel Squares simplify this by giving you fixed reference angles that you can use instantly. Designed to cover common angles with precise geometry, they remove guesswork when setting up cuts or layouts. Built from durable materials, they stay accurate over time. It's a smart measuring solution that helps you achieve clean, consistent angles with confidence. Freeman PFL 608BR Pneumatic 3 in 115.5 gauge. Flooring jobs often require switching between nailing and stapling, which can slow down your workflow. The Freeman PFL 618BR Pneumatic 3-in-1 tool handles both tasks in one unit, reducing downtime and keeping your work consistent. Its durable aluminum body and heat-treated components are built for demanding use, while the long-reach mallet improves efficiency during installation. Designed for comfort and reliability, it's a practical tool that makes flooring projects faster and more controlled. Total TASD 30136 ratchet screwdriver. Working in tight corners where a drill cannot reach can slow everything down. The Total TACSD 30136 ratchet screwdriver is built for those exact situations, with a compact body that fits into narrow spaces easily. Its ratcheting mechanism lets you tighten or loosen screws without constantly repositioning your hand. With multiple bits stored on board, you always have the right option ready. It's a simple but highly effective tool that makes fastening tasks smoother and more efficient. Festool PLANEX. Sanding large drywall surfaces can quickly become tiring and uneven without the right setup. The Festool PLANEX is designed to make that process smoother with its long-reach design and balanced handling. Its random orbit motion helps achieve a consistent, swirl-free finish, while the integrated LED light highlights imperfections as you work. The efficient dust extraction keeps the area cleaner and reduces cleanup time. It's a professional solution that turns a demanding task into a controlled, high-quality finish. Dremel 8260 Smart Cordless Rotary Tool. When a project demands precision across multiple tasks, switching tools can slow you down. The Dremel 8260 Smart Cordless Rotary Tool handles cutting, grinding, polishing, and engraving in one compact system. Its cordless design gives you freedom to move, while compatibility with a wide range of Dremel accessories expands what you can do. The built-in LED indicator adds an extra layer of safety during operation. It's a versatile tool that keeps your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. Grizzly 18 Scroll Saw. Intricate cuts and detailed patterns require a tool that offers both control and consistency. The Grizzly 18 Scroll Saw is designed for smooth, precise cutting with variable speed control to match different materials. It supports both pin-end and plane-end blades, giving flexibility for various projects. The tilting table allows angled cuts, while the quick blade change system saves time during detailed work. It's a dependable saw that helps turn complex designs into clean, accurate results. Kata Hacksaw Frame Set. When one saw is not enough for different materials, switching tools can interrupt your workflow. The Kata Hacksaw Frame Set gives you multiple cutting options in one kit, designed to handle wood, metal, and drywall with ease. The adjustable frame allows angle changes for more precise cuts, while quick blade replacement keeps your work moving. Built for durability and comfort, it's a practical set that adapts to different tasks without slowing you down. Goldblatt's Molding Remover. Removing trim without damaging walls is usually where most projects go wrong. The Goldblatt's Molding Remover is designed to solve that with a wide contact surface that spreads pressure evenly, reducing the risk of cracks or dents. Its wedge center and built-in spring action help lift molding smoothly with less effort. The ergonomic handle keeps your grip comfortable during longer jobs. It's a simple tool that makes clean, damage-free trim removal much easier. Now you've seen tools that don't just make work easier, they make it smarter and more precise. If even one of these caught your attention, you'll find all the links waiting in the description. Drop a comment with the tool you'd actually use, hit like if this helped, and subscribe to AU Techverse for more practical tools that truly upgrade your workflow.